Solomon receives a divine visitation in a dream, as God offers him the fulfillment of any desire. Solomon chooses wisdom to govern his people effectively and prioritizes just leadership over personal gain. Solomon declines offers of riches and power, a selfless request, exemplifying his commitment to his people's welfare. God bestowed upon Solomon not only profound wisdom, but also significant wealth and honor. This divine grant highlights a connection between spiritual insight and material prosperity. True wealth, in this context, originates from prioritizing wisdom and dedicated service. It is not solely about the accumulation of material possessions or riches. The emphasis is on inner qualities and actions that benefit others. Solomon's story illustrates that a focus on wisdom leads to holistic enrichment, encompassing both spiritual and material blessings. Proverbs 3:9-10 emphasizes honoring God through material wealth. This principle involves tithing and generous giving as acts of worship. It reflects trust in God's provision rather than reliance on personal resources. Honoring God with wealth acknowledges His role as the ultimate source of blessings. Tithing and giving are acts of generosity within the church community. These practices involve offering a portion of one's income or resources. A key belief is that generosity unlocks greater financial blessings. This concept suggests a correlation between giving and receiving. The act of tithing is often seen as an investment in spiritual growth. Proverbs 6:6-11 uses the ant as an example of diligence and foresight. The passage encourages observation of the ant's behavior to learn about hard work. Ants proactively prepare their food in the summer and gather provisions during harvest. This demonstrates the importance of planning and consistent effort. The passage warns against laziness, which leads to poverty and scarcity. Diligence involves consistent and dedicated effort in one's tasks. Foresight is the ability to anticipate future needs and challenges. Planning is crucial for effective execution and goal achievement. Consistent work ethic ensures steady progress towards objectives. Combining diligence and foresight enhances productivity. Prosperity is often the result of diligent work and careful planning. The Queen of Sheba visited King Solomon in ancient Jerusalem. She was deeply impressed by Solomon's renowned wisdom. The kingdom's efficient organization also caught her attention. The splendor and magnificence of Solomon's court was striking. Solomon's wealth was reflected in the prosperity of his kingdom. The visit highlights Solomon's success in creating a thriving kingdom. A well-managed company garners admiration and respect in its industry. The structure and success of the company should mirror principles of excellence. Building a legacy of excellence is crucial for long-term success. The company's operations should reflect a commitment to high standards and ethical practices. King Solomon's heart turned away from God due to the influence of his foreign wives. These wives were from nations that God had specifically warned the Israelites against. Solomon's wives led him to worship their gods, compromising his devotion to the Lord. He built high places for these foreign deities, accommodating their religious practices. This spiritual compromise displeased God and had significant consequences for Solomon's kingdom. Modern life presents numerous temptations that can lead individuals away from spiritual principles. These temptations often manifest through material desires and worldly attractions. Safeguarding one's heart and mind is crucial in resisting these influences. Adherence to God's principles provides a strong foundation against succumbing to temptation. Ecclesiastes 5:10 addresses the human desire for wealth. It suggests that the love of money is insatiable. The verse implies that material wealth alone cannot bring lasting satisfaction. Chasing wealth without purpose leads to a perpetual state of wanting more. The verse reflects on the futility of prioritizing material gain over spiritual fulfillment. True contentment is not derived from the accumulation of material wealth. Finding joy in one's work is a significant source of satisfaction. Appreciating the blessings in life fosters a sense of gratitude. Contentment arises from internal values rather than external possessions. Proverbs 15:22 emphasizes the critical role of advice in achieving success. It asserts that plans are prone to failure when undertaken without proper counsel. Conversely, success is more likely when a multitude of advisors are consulted. This highlights the importance of seeking diverse perspectives for informed decision-making. Modern financial planning involves seeking advice from trusted sources. These sources include financial advisors who offer professional guidance. Mentors can provide valuable insights based on their experience. Peers can offer different perspectives and shared learning opportunities. Consulting these sources aids in making informed financial decisions. This collaborative approach enhances the quality of financial planning. Ecclesiastes 11:2 suggests a strategy of broad investment. The text advises investing in 7 or even 8 ventures. This recommendation emphasizes the importance of diversification. The rationale is the unpredictability of earthly calamities. Diversification serves as a hedge against unforeseen disasters. Diversification is a key strategy in modern investment portfolio management. It involves spreading investments across various asset classes. This approach aims to mitigate risk by reducing exposure to any single asset. A diversified portfolio can potentially provide more stable returns over time. Proverbs 22:29 highlights the value of skillfulness in one's work. The verse suggests that individuals who develop expertise will achieve recognition. Skill and diligence can elevate a person to serve in prominent positions. The proverb implies that competence leads to opportunities and advancement. Modern careers require continuous skill development to remain competitive. Skill development involves actively seeking opportunities for growth. This includes identifying skill gaps and addressing them through training. Seeking new challenges and experiences is crucial for expanding skill sets. Networking and mentorship can provide valuable insights and guidance. Adaptability and a growth mindset are essential for navigating the evolving job market. Diligent planning is presented as a pathway to financial gain. Careful and thoughtful preparation increases the likelihood of profit. Conversely, acting hastily is directly linked to poverty. Impatience and lack of planning are portrayed as detrimental to financial success. Financial planning involves setting clear, achievable long-term financial goals. Creating a detailed budget is essential for tracking income and expenses. Regular saving is crucial for accumulating funds to meet future objectives. Wise investment strategies help grow savings and achieve financial security. Retirement planning is a forward-looking process. It involves simulating different financial scenarios to estimate future needs. A key aspect is determining how much to save regularly. Savings are intended to provide income during retirement years. The simulation helps adjust saving strategies based on projected outcomes. Effective planning ensures financial security in later life. Modern education planning emphasizes the importance of setting long-term financial goals. It involves simulating and projecting future education expenses. Effective planning helps in accumulating the necessary funds over time. This approach ensures that educational opportunities are financially accessible. Careful planning mitigates the financial burden associated with higher education. Modern budgeting involves creating a detailed plan for managing income and expenses. The primary goal is to effectively track where money is coming from and where it is being spent. Budgeting helps individuals and organizations achieve financial stability and reach specific goals. It requires consistent monitoring and adjustments to adapt to changing financial circumstances. Utilizing various tools and techniques can simplify the budgeting process and improve accuracy. Modern saving involves establishing a structured plan for accumulating wealth. This plan typically includes setting clear financial goals, such as retirement or a down payment on a house. A key component is regularly contributing a fixed amount of money to a savings account or investment portfolio. Automation, such as setting up automatic transfers, can help ensure consistent contributions. Modern saving often incorporates diversified investment strategies to maximize returns and mitigate risk. Modern investing involves a diverse range of options, each with its own risk and return profile. These options include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate, among others. Investors must carefully evaluate potential returns against the inherent risks associated with each investment. Diversification across different asset classes is a key strategy for managing risk in modern investing. Modern debt management focuses on strategies to reduce and control debt. Effective debt management improves overall financial health. Key strategies include budgeting, prioritizing payments, and consolidating debts. Financial tools and planning are essential components of modern debt management. Modern insurance planning involves strategies to mitigate financial risks through various insurance products. Life insurance provides financial protection to beneficiaries upon the insured's death. Health insurance covers medical expenses, protecting against high healthcare costs. Property insurance safeguards physical assets like homes and vehicles from damage or loss. Liability insurance protects against legal claims arising from injuries or damages to others. Comprehensive insurance planning integrates these different types to provide holistic financial security. Estate planning is the process of arranging for the management and distribution of assets after death. It ensures assets are distributed according to the individual's wishes. Proper estate planning can minimize taxes and administrative costs. It provides peace of mind, knowing loved ones will be taken care of. Generosity, as a biblical principle, involves freely giving time, resources, or possessions to others. Giving back to the community is a practical application of generosity. Biblical teachings emphasize that generosity should be motivated by compassion and love. Examples of generosity include acts of charity, hospitality, and support for those in need. Generosity is considered a virtue that reflects God's own giving nature. Contentment, in a biblical context, involves finding satisfaction and peace in one's current circumstances. It emphasizes appreciating what one has, rather than constantly desiring more. This principle encourages a focus on inner fulfillment and gratitude for blessings. Contentment helps to guard against greed, envy, and dissatisfaction, promoting a more peaceful life. Faithfulness, in a financial context, involves aligning financial decisions with one's core beliefs and values. It means remaining true to ethical principles, even when faced with financial pressures or temptations. Faithfulness requires consistent integrity in all financial dealings, avoiding dishonesty or deception. It encompasses responsible stewardship of resources, using finances in a way that honors one's faith. Faithful financial management includes prioritizing long-term values over short-term gains. Ultimately, faithfulness in finances reflects a commitment to living out one's beliefs in every area of life. Financial freedom is the state of having enough income or resources to cover one's living expenses. Wise financial planning involves setting clear financial goals and creating a roadmap to achieve them. Biblical principles, such as tithing and avoiding debt, can guide responsible financial management. Combining financial planning with biblical principles can lead to long-term financial stability. A success mindset is built on a foundation of wisdom, diligence, and faith. Wisdom provides the insight needed to make informed decisions and navigate challenges. Diligence ensures consistent effort and perseverance towards achieving goals. Faith provides the confidence and belief in oneself and the process. Solomon's wisdom provides guidance for navigating one's financial journey. This wisdom emphasizes living a life of purpose beyond material wealth. Generosity and faithfulness to God are key components of this approach. Reflecting on these principles can positively impact financial decisions and overall life fulfillment.